Welcome to EveryStoreOnline.com. Today I will show you how to create a free online store. Hover on top right side of your screen and click on Add Listing. Now select plan of your choice. I am choosing a free plan. Now once this screen is open, enter the details of your business below. Now enter your business title, that is the name of your store or establishment. Search the address of your business on Google Maps, this will help customers to locate your store easily. Now enter the name of the city where you will like to show your store or business. For example, if my store is in Mumbai, I will just add Mumbai. If I want to show my business in multiple cities, I can add additional cities too. Like Pune. You can even add multiple cities, if you want your business to get displayed outside your city. Now let's add your contact details. Now add your phone number. Your WhatsApp number if any. And now enter your business website URL, if you have any. In this section, choose your business category. For demo, I am choosing furniture. So let's create a furniture store.
Add your business operating timings. I am choosing Monday to Saturday from 10 a.m. till 7:30 p.m. You can add your social media accounts here, such as Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter and LinkedIn. Add frequently asked questions like, do you provide a warranty on your products? Yes, we do provide a warranty for 1 year. Let's add one more FAQ. Are your products imported or manufactured in India? Yes, all our products are manufactured in our industry in India. Now add a short, or brief description of your business. This is important. Add keywords of your products here. Customers can search for products from the home page directly, so choose your keywords properly, followed by a comma after each keyword. As this is furniture store, I am adding keywords like chair, sofa, dining table, TV unit. If you have a business video, you can add the video link here. Now add images that will display in the cover page of your listing. You can add multiple images here. Make sure the size of all images should not exceed 10 megabytes for a free listing. Add a featured photo which will appear in search result of your listing. Insert a logo of your business if you have any. Enter your email address and submit a listing. Now, wait for admin to approve your business listing. You will be notified on email once your listing is live. Once your listing is live, then you can add products in your store. This is how your listing will look once submitted. Watch our next video on how to add products in your store. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more tutorial videos. Thanks for watching. EveryStoreOnline.com